Hello class, it's time for the eraser meditation. We're going to erase your minds. Well, maybe not totally erase. A few of you have some very important information in there. It's more of a mental vacation to let your mind relax for a bit. Go ahead and grab an eraser. If you don't have an eraser, that's okay. The meditation will still work. Lay your hands out in front of you, on your desk or in your lap as you gently close your eyes. We are going to draw small circles with your finger or thumb on the surface of the eraser. If you don't have an eraser, you can make circles on your desk or on your leg. Alright, here we go. Make a circle, just a small one, only about an inch. Now reverse the circle the opposite direction. And back. That's the idea. Just keep making small circles. To the right. To the left, to the right, to the left. Now we're going to time your circles with a breath. Inhale as you draw a circle. Pause. Exhale as you reverse the circle. Pause. Inhale, circle. Pause. Exhale, circle. Pause. Keep going and we'll start counting the circles. I'll say the number aloud as you draw the circle and you say it silently in your head. Ready? Inhale 1. Pause. Exhale 2. Pause. Inhale 3. Pause. Exhale 4. Pause. Keep going. Inhale 5. Pause. Exhale 6. Pause. Inhale 7. Pause. Exhale 8. Pause. Inhale 9. Pause. Exhale 10. Good. Now lightly squeeze the eraser or squeeze your hands together as you inhale. And relax as you exhale. Ready? Inhale and squeeze 1. Pause. Exhale and relax 2. Pause. Inhale 3. Pause. Exhale 4. Pause. Keep going. Inhale 5. Pause. Exhale 6. Pause. Inhale 7. Pause. Exhale 8. Pause. Inhale 9. Pause. Exhale 10. You did a great job. Slowly open your eyes and just look down at your desk or the ground for a moment and see if you notice anything new. Maybe a scratch on the desk or colour in the room you hadn't seen before. Hopefully you're a little more relaxed now and ready to continue your day.